Yeah, greetings. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Now, I wonder if Jamaica, I hear the news. We're going across the rest of the world where how many thousands, tens of thousands of kids are going missing yearly. You understand what I say? If you don't mind sharp, England alone are brushing at the hundreds of thousands a year, each year. You get what I say? Now, the thing about that is that it's silent, it's quiet. You know, hear nobody talk about that. More kids are gonna miss more than people who get murdered on the street. Like, you know what I say? And you know, hear no big news, hear no big news in the media and thing like that. I understand what go on. That them thing there, significant issues to them that where people should be aware and educated about because nobody, I mean, who's gonna take care of the kids? I mean, if the people them not informed about what's going on with the kids, or will they know to take it like somebody is not interested in securing these kids either? Have to see these kids get better protection from the evil that might befall them. This black hole where I suck them up. You understand me? Why isn't that why isn't that a relevant topic? Why isn't that a relevant topic to be highlighted minutely, hourly, and daily? Where future is being diminished by the thousands unexplainedly. See? Plus there are rumors about this pedophile ring going on across the world, not even just America. You understand? And another thing the people who they are accusing, see, like the culprits, the perpetrators, the alleged perpetrators of these things, haven't opened their mouth in defense of their own character. No, these are people whose characters mean everything to them. Everything to them, from politicians to actors to, the likes. These people is not like private businessman who nobody knew before, you a secret billionaire around there who nobody knew, who don't care about his character, his business already established. No, these people's career thrive on having a good clean slate. You understand me? And I can't understand. Normally, yeah, you'd have loads of libel suits going on, all type of things, and people in court for defamation of character and thing like that. You know, see it. Regardless of who you are, how small, it doesn't, and the national news is, the news medium now, the national news medium, the recognized news house, nothing. I mean, again, even if it's a lie allegation, let's say it's a conspiracy theory that's taken the internet by storm, it's gone viral, everybody's looking into it and paying attention to it. How comes the media hasn't tried to professionally debunk these claims and these allegations? How come BBC, Sky News, CNN, how come any of them, no Fox News, nobody? Everybody just sit back. These people are not normal. Normally, the quiet type who will take abuse or any form of media destruction or whatever. No, they'll fight back. They've got the money to do so. And I haven't seen anybody done or said anything about it. So if that's true, if that's the case, there's a big conspiracy to steal people's kids. You get me? And the authorities are the powers that be, those that we put in power with the hope that they take care of our interests, aren't even looking into the issue, aren't even looking into the allegations as far as we are concerned. Because we are the ones who are being threatened. We are the ones who should be informed and to the developments from the authorities' perspective. Rubbish it or other open investigation, public inquiry into what go on, so that people, allay people's fear, because I've got children, I mean, I tell you, I'm not gonna tell my kid, I'm not the man who's gonna tell my kid, but let the law deal with it, The law better deal with it before I get there. You understand me? Because I will feel more comfortable in a jail cell than with that thought in my head. You know, see, nah, my kids are me. It's whatever happened to them, it's me it happened to. You get me? Yeah, whatever I'll do for my own survival, I'll definitely do 10 times over for my kids because they are innocent and they deserve all of that credit and effort. You get me? So I don't understand silence behind all of this. Society on a whole, it's just, you know, there's thousands of people marching in London, in Jamaica, against it, you know, people go Buckingham Palace door, gate and a ball out, Peter. And you know, hear nothing. It's like it just quiet down. All of the media, them hide it like, I mean, yeah, them sure it's a crowd that protest about that and waiting. But alright, let's see what's going on and what these people are saying now. We've got the resources. Somebody is protecting somebody. And it stinks to high heaven. How corrupt. That's to show you again, I've always said, you know, that's a level of respect that they have got for the common man intelligence, you know. You know, see, that's the thing that they can just ignore whatever the common man think, and they don't even have an alibi, but they can ignore what you are saying until they get there, until they choose to desire to give an alibi. You know, see, what you want to think is up to you. What the business if you want, if the sky want to fall down on you tomorrow, that's your problem. Think that. You know, see, we are government, we run this thing and we just tell you whatever we want, whenever we want. With a track record of being dodgy, a track record of, you know, being scant with the truth. The thing is, it's the people. Like I said, it's the silence of the righteous that always cause evil to triumph. And that is for the people. I'm saying this to the people. It's the silence of the righteous that always cause evil to triumph. So when you sit there and just, let somebody else, yes, the person who mentioned who's talking about it is already dealing with it. It doesn't happen like that. You understand me? People's life are at stake. Children, innocent children, life are at stake, man. Can you imagine the terror that's going through a child's mind when a child is being abducted by strangers with nasty, wicked intent? These people aren't gonna be showing any level of mercy or any form of compassion or empathy to the child's feeling. It's straight terror from day one. You understand? From minute one, it's straight terror. Come on, people, man. I'm telling man, looking at yourself, man. You have to be more responsible. Now is the time, man. Let's say it's an allegation. We need the people we invest the resources into to look into these allegations and allay our fear. We don't mind being wrong. We don't mind being wrong. That's why you are there. For when certain things concern us, we can make reference to you and you sort this out, figure this thing out. Come on the front line, who are you protecting? You don't know, you know. Our children over everything. You get what I say? If it's on, man. Bring it, man. I want to hear. Bring it. Come, let's see then.